How to fix Google AI Studio failed to generate content permission denied error. So if you want to fix your Google AI Studio failed to generate content permission denied error, then I will explain different ways in which this error is caused and you will be able to solve it. First and the most important one is you need to check the server status. So just simply go with server status of Google AI Studio and you will have all of the information about the server status. You can just simply go with the first website and it will take you to this kind of interface. Sometimes this issue is caused by the server. If the server is working fine, then you can go back to your Google AI Studio and check the API that you created and set up. If you think this is also not the reason for the error, then you can go back to the page. On the right side, you'll see the settings option. You need to click on settings. Scroll down and you can click on the safety option. You can go with run safety settings and make sure that the run safety settings is turned off. Sometimes the results you generate contain words that are blocked and you get this error. Also, you can change the Gemini account option. This can sometimes help to solve the issue. If you still face the issue, I recommend you to check your prompt. The final reason might be that your prompt contains an error. Make sure that you are not violating the content policy, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.